U.S. government details security force units from which it has withdrawn support. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, more bad gas in the market.
85 Red Hills Road residents running out of options as new demolition day nears.
Dancehall entertainer Spice continued to defend her performance at Athletes Gala on Saturday.
The country's road fatality tally passes 300 mark.
And then we have the business news, also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, do you think dancehall artist Spice should be held responsible for her performance at the gala to honor our athletes at the National Indoor Sports Center last Saturday?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.